Ain't a thing on the front line. Hey Lord, ask me what I do is myself, it's okay. I'll stand it with you.
Want to tell me why you're failing?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
Laiken William Breed. What's number one rule in our household?
50% is best, not less.
What?
50% is best, not less.
Right. What's wrong with you? How dare you embarrass me?
You take care. It'll be lovely, yeah. Have a lovely day.
Yeah, Chur Ghee.
Yeah.
What's up?
Oh, nothing. Oh, you're smart, eh?
Yeah, duh. Why?
Oh, because of the assignment on Monday.
What about it?
Oh, I'm gonna fail, eh?
No, you won't. You're like one of the smartest kids in the class. What you on about? And Miss likes you, and like you always answer the questions right, and yeah.
Yeah, but can you still help me? Like,
Sure, I'll help you. What time do you want me to be there?
like around 5 maybe?
Fine. Yeah, I'll tell Mum to drop me off at that time. Bye, Auntie. Bye, Taz.
JJ.
Ain't a thing on the front line. Hey Lord, ask me what I do with myself, it's okay. I'll spend it with you. If I wake up in World War II,